video, everybody. It's been a little while since we've done a tag video. I don't know if you know this, but like 2020 had this weird thing happen called like, I forget what it was called. Something, anyway, this weird thing that like affected the whole world and the whole world shut down. And yeah, we haven't had a lot of time for filming. So anyways, we're back. We're back to doing tags, and I have this fancy high-tech piece of paper that I'm going to read these questions from. This is the behind-the-scenes YouTube tag, apparently. And as per usual, I have not pre-read these questions, so I have no fucking idea what's going to come out of my mouth, as always. So let's get started. Question 1. Where do you find inspiration for your videos? Well, I mean, I don't think it's very hard to find inspiration for videos. Like, I don't sit there during the week and be like, what should I film? What should I film? Like, I feel like videos come off better and more natural if you film things that are A, important to you, B, that you are doing anyways, C, things that just like come to your brain, you know what I mean? Like, we don't sit there and deliberate and like try to figure out what the fuck we're gonna film. We just do it. Maybe I'm at the grocery store and I find like a really weird beverage that I'm like, it would be amazing if we all tried this on camera because it looks disgusting. Or like, maybe I get a really cool sewing project that I want to like film and show you guys, you know what I mean? Or maybe we're going on a cool trip, not so much lately, but maybe we're going on a cool trip and you guys want to come along and like look at the cute baby goats or like see the cool gothy cemetery or whatever it is, you know what I mean? So it's, the ideas just come to me like as I go along and then we film that thing. So that's great. All right, question number 2. Do you have a Word document / notebook, etc. dedicated to your videos? I sure don't. I sure don't. Occasionally, Jessica and I make like a schedule. We take like a piece of lined paper and we make like a schedule being like, we're going to upload this video this week, this video next week, whatever. But that very frequently gets like fucked up and scratched out and thrown out the window because we have to like change the order of things, or sometimes things have to be uploaded like at a certain time, like if it's around a holiday, like the Easter egg hunt, you know, had to be uploaded around Easter because it's an Easter video, that sort of thing. But other than that, not really. No, not really. How long do you prep for a video? Well, that very much depends on the video, doesn't it? I mean, if it's like sewing, I'm literally just filming as I go along, and it usually takes like several days, and I'm just explaining the process as I do it, sort of thing. If it's a tag video, I prepare almost nothing because I never pre-read these questions. I just sort of, I'm like, all right, let's film a tag video, fuckers, and then I just start reading, whatever. If it's a vlog, again, not at all. We basically just get dressed and film the day as we go because we don't know what's going to happen when we go out for a day, right? So usually not very much because I feel like they come off a lot more natural that way. Like you're seeing the way that things really are, what we're really doing, how I'm really acting, how I'm really feeling, right? Like I think videos that are too scripted almost feel weird and fake and like overly prepared, and they seem like, yes, how are you today, Jessica? Are you fine? Excellent. Line. Like, that's very silly. We don't usually do that. Okay, how long does it take for you to prepare your appearance for a video? Well, again, that depends on the video, right? It obviously takes me a little bit longer if I'm like putting my hair up. Like if I'm doing a sewing video, I'm usually wearing lazy clothes, measuring tape around my neck because it's much more comfortable for me to sew that way. But if we're going out to an event, like a drag show or whatever, then it takes me longer to get ready because believe me, drag queens will fucking call you on it if you like go to the show lazy. Well, I go to the show lazy anyway because, you know, I make all their costumes, so I certainly can't show up looking like a lazy asshole to a drag show. So longer if we're going out, shorter if I'm sewing. You know, if I'm doing my makeup, then I basically start with nothing and then put my makeup on like as the video goes on. So again, this varies. These are hard questions because all the time varies depending on what you're doing. Okay, what time of day do you film? Whatever time of day we possibly can, honestly. We film videos as early as probably 5:30 or 6 in the morning. If we have no time, like if we have no time and we have to get the video done, we're like, all right, well, let's just fucking start earlier then because clearly it needs to be done. We've also filmed videos like very late at night, like some of my cemetery birthday parties we didn't finish till like after midnight, or, you know, some of the vlogs we've been out like all day. So it literally runs the gamut between, you know, 5:30 a.m. and after midnight. Whenever the thing is happening, that's when we film it. Tell us where you film. You may have noticed, if you watch any of my videos, that there is not a set location that I film in. Right now I'm filming on my sofa. I often film, you know, up there in my step up area. I film at the embalming table a lot. I film at my sewing fort a lot. We film out and about a lot. We film in the car. We film at churches. Like, we film wherever the video requires us to film. I don't have a set setup because that would be boring. If I always had the same background, that wouldn't be very much fun, would it? Okay. No, I just did that one. Natural lighting or studio lighting? Well, obviously if we're out vlogging, natural light, because like we don't have a choice. I don't have any fancy portable lights that I take with me other than the one that comes on the phone camera, phone light. You see how good I am with technology? This is great. And then if I'm filming at home, my apartment is like fucking dark. So I do have one, they call them soft boxes, like the box lights. I got one of those as a gift. A friend of mine found it at the thrift store and gave it to me. And that really helped with my lighting a lot because the lighting in here is very difficult for filming, but that's kind of it. I just have like one light for home that I sort of plug an extension cord and drag around the house with me. And then other than that, we're just out and about or we're using the phone light. And that's kind of it. Because we're broke and we don't make any money off YouTube, so we have whatever lights we have for cheap. What type of camera do you film with? It's a smartphone. I don't know, Jessica.
I'm coming.
The questions are getting technical. Get in here. The questions are getting technical. I don't know how to answer these. Okay. What type of camera do you film with?
Well, you're right. It's a smartphone. So that's
yes, it's my phone. That's all I got.
It is a Samsung Galaxy A50 currently.
There you go. Not product endorsement by Samsung. We are not getting any money from Samsung for that.
I wish. Samsung,
right?
you could sponsor us.
You could totally sponsor us if you wanted to. Since we're filming on your phone. Exactly. All right, what we got here? Do you ever script your videos, go off of an outline? Very rarely. Like, very rarely. I almost never script anything. If I do, there's a good fucking reason behind it. Like a couple of like serious videos that I've done where I have definite points I want to talk about. I'll write down the points just so that I can make sure I hit everything important that I need to say. Other than that, Jessica's mentioned a few times that she would like it if I scripted things.
That makes my life easier.
But I sure don't do that because honestly, like I never have any idea what's going to come out of my mouth when I start talking. I'm just like, blah, and then I said that, and then she has to deal with it. So
even if we gave you a script, you would go off of it.
Exactly.
Anyways,
I definitely would not follow it. So yeah. So the answer is no. Very, very rarely. All right. What else have we got here? Okay. If you edit your videos, what program do you use? Well, that's a big if because I definitely do not edit my videos. I definitely don't. That's all this one here. So what program do we use, Miss Jessica?
Oh, the editing community is going to be mad at me. I use Windows Movie Maker.
Because again,
we're poor
and it's free.
We also use a couple phone apps here and there to like help with like some effects, but it's mainly done all in Windows Movie Maker because it's free.
Yeah. And you know what? I mean, if it works fine for what we're doing,
yeah.
Like honestly, I'm sure that everyone that watches the videos, they don't watch it for the amazing, like, high quality production values that we do. They watch it because, like, I'm crazy as fuck and you're cute. So that's it. Those are our selling points right there. And
yeah.
also Brody's bum is a good selling point for a video.
That is also
right?
like
solid. 3
good points. Like we should be raking in millions, but we're not.
Exactly.
Unfortunately.
Exactly. All right. What else do we got here? How long are your unedited videos before you scale them down?
That really depends on the type of video this one wants to make. Her sewing videos can be literally hours upon hours over many days, and I hate her every single time she gets me to edit.
And that's including pre-sped up clips.
Yeah.
Like sewing takes a long fucking time, especially when I'm doing like really big scale projects. Like it takes a long fucking time. Or also when we do stuff like Omegle videos and that, they take hours of footage. Yeah.
And, like, they're a bitch to edit, but like, we can scale them down pretty good.
Yeah, we usually try to keep everything under like 10 minutes ideally.
Yeah, under 10 ideally, but like 20 is pushing it. Like if a video's over 20 minutes, like I can't cut anything else. Like yeah. That's like the thing.
Yeah. She often cuts things and I'm standing at the computer being like, no, don't cut that. That part's great. And she's like, God damn it, this video is going to be 45 minutes. Like we have to cut stuff out of it. And I'm like, but it's all great. Leave it all in. Yeah, I know. I can talk forever. I know. All right. How many times per week do you try to film? Again, that depends on the week. Like some weeks we get like, a few videos in, we'll do a couple of like, weird stuff that I owns or stuff like that, like quick videos, story times. But if it's like a sewing video, it literally goes over days. Sometimes like one sewing video will take more than a whole week. Or if it's a vlog, it's usually like that's all we're doing that day. You know, we're going to an antique market, or we're going to a drag show or whatever.
Vlog, like maximum.
Exactly. But yeah, so sometimes a couple of times a week. Even with the sewing, it's a couple of times a week, but it's like for one video.
Yeah.
And then some weeks we're just balls to the walls and we can't do anything. Like we can't film like at all. Yeah. So we try to have like a couple of videos like stored up. You know what I mean? So if we're like, fuck, we didn't get any time to film this week, we have a couple that are in queue already that we can put up. So we don't miss any. We try not to miss any days. Because we are responsible YouTubers.
Responsible, but not professional.
Yes, exactly. Responsible, but not professional. Exactly. How often do you pre-film videos? What does that mean? Like have them stored up, like what I just said?
like when you store them up kind of thing, and it's not like this week we're putting out this video, and therefore you're filming, editing, prepping, all in like
So we film Wednesday, it goes up this weekend. We film next Wednesday, it goes up this weekend. Yeah, we don't do that.
I would hate you so much.
No, we always pre-film videos. Is now the answer. Now that I know what that is, we always pre-film videos because like our lives are so chaotic and so crazy, and things like pop up that need attention like immediately that you don't know when you're not going to have time to film. Right? So we try to have a couple stored up so I don't have the stress of being like, fuck, we have to do something for Saturday. Like we don't have a video, like what are we going to do? Because that wouldn't be very good. It wouldn't read very well. It wouldn't be fun for you.
No. And the editing would get sloppy. We'd look tired and panicked. It would be poor video quality.
I mean, to be fair, we probably look tired and panicked.
Anyway, it would be worse.
Yes, it would be worse. Yeah, so. Okay. How long will a typical video take from setting up your equipment to uploading? I don't even know. Again, it depends on the video, yeah. Because sewing videos, again, I know I keep talking about them, but I make a lot of fucking sewing videos because I sew a lot, okay? You know, there's not a lot of equipment set up. We just kind of set up the tripod and just go. But it takes a long time to make the video, and then it takes her a long time to edit the video. Yeah. Right? But I mean, if we're just doing like a tag or weird stuff that I own or something, you know, you set up the light, you film it, there's minimal editing, it goes up. Yeah. So that's like a lot faster. So
depends too as well. Like some weird stuff that I own is taking longer to set up the light in the proper spot because we always switch them up because you want, like you said, you want different backgrounds and stuff.
Exactly.
For vlogs, we got to set up the gimbal, all that kind of stuff. So
yeah,
every video is so different in prep time.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Oh, we're on the last question already.
Yeah.
All right. Are there any topics that are off limits? I'm going to say no. You may have noticed about me that I am a blunt bitch. If nothing else, I will tell anybody anything. But, you know, my problem comes in where, you know, don't ask questions if you don't want to know the answer, right? Like, if you ask me something, I'm going to fucking tell you, but you might not like the answer. So, yeah, I mean, you know, I try to keep it on YouTube. I try to keep it fairly PG-ish. Ish. Maybe PG-13, maybe. But, you know, I mean, there's a lot of things that, like, we don't film and we don't put up just because, like, you know, people don't need to know everything. But I'm certainly open to answering almost any questions and you know, giving my opinion on almost any subject. Like, but with things that are really controversial, like, you know, religion, politics, whatever, no matter what side of the thing you like, if you like this candidate, if you like this candidate, you can't please everyone. You're going to piss off people, right? So it's best just not to talk about those things. Like, I don't come on here and talk about those things just because, like, you can't win. You can't win, right? You're just going to start internet fights, and I really don't have time for, like, extra drama in my life. Like, I am fucking busy enough. I don't have time for internet fights. I stay away from them. If people start internet fighting, I just, like, delete comments and walk away. I don't get involved because no thank you. And that's it. 15 questions. Bam, we did it. Look at us go. Yay. Thank you, Jessica.
You're welcome.
Because I don't know shit about tech stuff.
I know you don't.
Yeah, it's my job that crazy.
You couldn't even figure out the word for flash. You said the camera light.
Well, it's not a flash. The flash is for pictures.
It's the flash lens, though.
I don't believe you. That sounds like crazy tech voodoo. I don't like it. Anyway, there you have it. I forgot the name of it. The behind the scenes YouTube tag. We have done it. Good for us. If you like this video, if you liked hearing about all of the weird shit that goes on behind the videos, please give it a thumbs up. And especially for Jessica's editing and not killing me for talking way too long on camera. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be even more amazing. If you want to follow either of us on Instagram, because we both have that, I am Madame_Absinthe for outfit pictures. Jessica is
the Jessica at 27 for mostly random shit.
Mostly random shit.
Yeah.
I like it. We both have Twitter, Madame_Absinthe for makeup and sewing in progress, and
Jessica27 or the Jessica27. I don't know which one it is. You'll find me if you search Jessica, really.
true story. What else? Oh, we both have Facebook now. You go on Facebook and you look up Madame Absinthe. It's the one with a picture of my face. Jessica has it.
Jessica27.
There you go. Excellent.
Theme.
Consistency, right?
Yeah.
Me too. Me too. What else? We both have TikTok. Yeah. I'm terrible at TikTok. I just go on there and say like crazy shit, and then she puts it on TikTok.
We're a
So,
bad team for TikTok.
Mine is Madame_Absinthe or .Absinthe or just Madame Absinthe.
I think it's Madame_Absinthe.
Okay, on TikTok, and you are
The Jessica27 again.
beautiful. We have Depop. It's sort of a Depop community Depop thing for me, you, and Brody. Shared Depop. Yeah.
Combined.
Depop.com/Madame Absinthe if you want to check out our secondhand shit. And what is that it? Oh yeah! I have Ko-fi. If you want to buy me a Ko-fi to support the maintenance of my sewing machines, and maybe one day we'll be able to buy like legit lighting and editing programs. I don't know. Maybe. And I think that's it. Like, subscribe, follow us on social media, ring the bell, buy us a Ko-fi if you want to, check out our Depop, and we'll see you around for our next amazing tag video. Yeah! Delightful. Woo!